Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Let Me Guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to reverse any video in Adobe Premium. So let's start. Add your video clip to your timeline. Now, watch this video. We have to reverse this video. To reverse the video, we have to select the video in the timeline. Then on right click, there is an option of speed or duration. Select it. Now, you select the button of reverse speed. And now, watch the video. And it's done. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel Let Me Guide. That would be much appreciated. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.